Okay, first of all, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Auto SM presentation. I am Jessica Punyin, SMN. Okay, so lama sudah buat presentation, so I hope you guys can bear with me, and I hope this presentation will be fruitful to all of us, yeah? All right, first of all, okay, the presentation today is about Auto SM, all right? So the questions that we always have, sales master question that we always have. When are we ready to become a sales master? And why do we need to be a sales master? And how will you become a sales master? Who can help me to be a sales master? And what the benefit of doing the sales master? And who else will benefit from being a sales master? All right, everyone follow? Everyone have these questions as well? I cannot see you. Sorry, everyone can hear ta?
Boleh, Jess.
Can, Jess.
Boleh?
Can.
Boleh.
Yeah. Boleh. Loud and clear.
Jadi saya nampak? Okay. Hold Alright. So ini adalah antara soalan yang selalu kita tanya. Bolehkah saya menjadi sales master? Bagaimanakah saya menjadi sales master? Kenapakah saya perlu jadi sales master? Okay. Menjadi sales master adalah step pertama untuk berjaya dalam Atomy dan adalah step yang paling penting dalam menjadi sales master. Okay, sebelum kita berbincang mengenai bagaimanakah kita menjadi sales master, kita mesti perlu tahu dan faham apakah konsep Atomy dan bagaimanakah and how can we become a sales master. Alright, so a brief about Atomy, which is the compensation plan, which is binary system, okay, di mana hanya dua kaki sahaja, left and right, macam manusia kita hanya ada dua kaki sahaja, okay, dan unlimited saving dan levels means kita bukan sahaja enjoy produk yang bagus, tetapi kita juga save a lot of money because we are able to enjoy quality products at a price that is so affordable that normally we will pay at a very high-end price, okay? And level unlimited tiada had. Tidak kisah berapa line, 10 line, 20 line, 100 line, 1 juta line, semua itu points kita dapat nikmati. Okay? And kebaikan Atomy ialah iaitu satu ID international, di mana kita tidak perlu buka ID di mana-mana negara lain. Katakan kita di Malaysia, kita boleh recruit di mana-mana negara yang ada Atomy sudah. Okay? Tidak payah pergi Indonesia mau buka account Indonesia, mau pergi US mau buka US punya account, tidak perlu. With only satu account yang kita ada tu yang sangat precious, jangan lupa ID dan password. Okay? Itu kita boleh grow network kita ke merata-rata tempat, alright? So as you all know that one ID we can go everywhere around the world that yang sudah buka, alright? So the basic untuk Atomy adalah account kita mesti activate. Itu adalah informasi yang sangat penting we must tell our partners because ramai yang join member tetapi diorang recruit memang membeli tetapi diorang sendiri tidak membeli. Okay, sebab diorang buat Atomy kerana bisnes tetapi tidak tahu produk itu sendiri. So adalah sangat-sangat penting build consumer base because Atomy is based on consumer success. So the first step that every member mesti buat adalah activate membership kita iaitu 10 KPV. Setiap kali kita mencapai 300 on the kiri and on the kanan, okay, we will get minimum of payout. We will start menerima income payout, okay, which is around 80 ringgit plus minus. Everyone follow at the moment. Semua boleh faham at the moment sini? Ada soalan? Any questions? No questions? Okay. Sorry. Okay, then we will start receiving payout. Hold on, yeah. Let me check this first. Okay. Next slide. Okay. General income commission. This is the most important step as an Atomian. All right. Where us as a member, when we build network, we have to generate income of point value. Before I continue, PV is point value. Di mana on the left 300k on the left and 300k on the right, okay, can be calculated setiap hari. The bigger your network, the bigger you build your consumer base, the more frequent that you will start generating income. I'll be talking, saya akan bercakap mengenai income sejak sekarang sebab orang yang sudah buat Atomy at this stage sudah faham and mostly should understand apakah itu sales master, and your goal at this point is all about becoming a sales master. So it is so I hope you guys understand that I'll be talking a lot about money here and not on the consumer base. Okay, everyone okay? So the best thing is that so every day we are able to accumulate 300 for 26 days, the bigger your networking is. So, and the best thing about this also, there is no cut of that. Let's say today kita tidak sampai, but tomorrow kita akan sampai, or lusa kita akan sampai, or the next month kita sampai. That is the beauty of Atomy. Kita punya kerja keras, hard work tidak sia-sia, because those points that we calculated from our networking and building the network will be brought forward until we are able to achieve the payout. That is the most important thing, because a lot of people are cepat fed up, cepat penat, because they work so hard, but at the end of the month, when they don't reach that point value, the cut of time, they will give up very fast. So that's why the beauty of Atomy is can be brought forward. Not only the point value can be brought forward, but being a member itself is already free. Sudah free untuk jadi member. Dan kita tidak perlu pun beli package dan kita tidak ada pun komitmen setiap bulan untuk menjadi member. Kita hanya menjadi consumer base dan membantu ramai orang untuk benefit daripada perbelanjaan diorang. Sebab ramai kita tidak sedar yang actually kita boleh benefit daripada perbelanjaan kita untuk sekian yang long term, bukan sekejap sahaja. Alright? So, as a member, you have to activate your account 10k PV, and to be an agent, then you have to have your own personal points, which is 300k PV. So each time you reach the flash point 300k on your left, 300k on your right, kita akan terima pembayaran sebanyak 240 ringgit. Okay? So katakan this is you, me, myself. Okay? So as you can see, we started off sebagai member, which is activation of 10k PV. As we go forward buying products for ourselves and for our family, point value kita akan naik sebanyak 300k PV. Itu normally adalah ranking agent sudah, okay? Perhatikan yang point value di yang purple color tu, okay? So as kita continue our journey in Atomy, our network become bigger, makin besar. So point value kita akan naik pergi 700. Bila kita 700 point sendiri, each time kita reach left and right 300 to 40. Tetapi bila kita mencapai 700 kiri, 700 kanan, our payout jadi lain. Dia akan jadi 480. Alright. Next is Diamond Master. When you reach a Diamond Master, your personal value, point value mesti adalah 1.5 juta. Okay. So setiap kali pembelian kita di kiri 1.5 juta, kanan 1.5 juta, we will get a payment of 960 plus minus. Biarpun kita Diamond Master, okay, when I'm a Diamond Master, when I reach 300k means saya akan dapat pembayaran 240. Alright? So next one is Sharon Rose, 2.4 million. That is the highest point value for a personal, for our personal. So each time kita mencapai 2.4 million on the kiri and kanan, kita will get a payment of 1,440. And the beauty of Atomy is that when you reach the other ranking, okay, normally 2.4 ranking is Sharon Rose Master. And when we reach Sharon Rose Master, our own personal value, point value sudah sampai max out sudah. Kau beli banyak barang pun kita tidak akan untung. So the best thing is just buy satu produk saja, and the rest of the products that you want to buy, we purchase under kita punya partners. So we help our partners to grow. Okay, from my own personal sharing juga, bila saja dia member dulu, I was so shocked that I started off benda yang kecil-kecil sahaja, then eventually suddenly point saya sendiri jadi 300. Saya punya upline tolong. Then suddenly jadi 700, 1.5. I barely actually spend money on my own personal sebab kita punya partners akan membantu kita bila kita benar-benar building the business, because they know who are building the business and they will help us to build the business. Alright, so that is the beauty of Atomy, di mana semua partners work together. Kita bukan kau-kau, saya-saya. Ini Atomy, kerjasama antara satu sama lain adalah sangat penting. Tidak kira kau kiri kah, kau kanan kah, helping each other is very, very important. Without teamwork, right, the information, the strategy kan tidak akan sampai. It akan reach it will be very limit because we are not open for helping one another. So that's why teamwork and helping one another is very, very important. You must know how to communicate with your partners, your team, and how to help them. We must be humble how we started. Bagaimana kita start dulu. Betapa susahnya kalau kita tidak ada support. So always sentiasa reflect back when we just started, how we want to be treated. That is how we treat our partners. That is very, very important. Okay. Next slide. So when we reach the maximum point value income that kita akan terima, the highest point is 50 million on your left and 50 million on your right. So the maximum is 300k points, which is 5,000 ringgit every month. Can you imagine setiap hari kau dapat 5,000 ringgit di dalam account kau. So at the end of the week, setiap hari Selasa kita dapat gaji kan. So darab 6, berapa sudah tuh kan? Katakan 240 setiap hari. Darab 6 pun sangat lumayan. Siapa boleh dapat gaji begitu setiap minggu dapat gaji. Alright? Next one. So your success starts from here, which is your mindset, your determination, and your focus to become a sales master. Your success starts here. That is the goal of Atomy in your first ranking, which is to become a sales master. Not only a sales master, but also an auto sales master. Okay? To become a sales master, your personal point, okay, ini summary sahaja, okay, I'm not going into detail. Anything nanti, please ask questions, okay. So our personal points must be 300k PV, all right. So within 2 weeks, which is 1st to the 15th, okay, and 16th to the end of month, mesti sampai 2.5 million, let's say 1st to the 15th. Left, what, 2.5 million, and right, 2.5 million. That is your target. That is a sales master target to become an auto sales master. Susahkah kamu rasa? Ramai orang cakap susah. When I started Atomy pun saya nampak itu points, oh my god, susah ni, macam mana saya mau capai. But don't think so much of the 2.5 million. All you need to focus is you are building, you are helping more people. When you keep on growing your lineage, you keep on helping people and trying to create customer success, kau jangan rasa tu, suddenly kau nampak 2.5 on your left, 2.5 on your right. It become automatic. It grows organically because your attention is not untuk kita diri kita sendiri sahaja, tetapi juga menolong orang lain juga untuk habis tu benefit daripada income diorang. Sebab kita Atomy kah tidak, we will be spending money for the rest of our life. So a lot of people tidak boleh tengok the spending power that semua kita ada. Apa-apa kita punya financial background is, we will still belanja duit. Dari kita saja, whether kita mau perbelanjaan itu berhasil ataupun perbelanjaan itu menjadi kosong seumur hidup. Okay, so this is the rough idea of network that you need to build. Yes, mestinya you have to have a lot of people di bawah kau, baru kau boleh jadi auto sales master. You can dibandingkan, okay, let's say this is your lineage, okay, this is your lineage, and you have big left and big right, but they are not buying, there is no point. Compared to if you really build your network properly, which is really kasih faham orang apa tu Atomy, apa kebaikan Atomy, how Atomy boleh benefit kita. Let's say kalau ada 50 orang di kiri, 50 on the kanan, tetapi semua adalah pengguna Tegar Atomy, tidak mustahil kau boleh jadi auto sales master compare kepada kaki yang sangat besar, tetapi rekrut tetapi tidak follow up, tidak ajar dan tidak kasih faham orang apakah itu Atomy, apakah kebaikan itu Atomy. Alright? So, as I mentioned just now, this is your success where you should start, which is left and right mesti mencapai 2.5 million on your left and 2.5 million on your right. Personal PV mestilah 700 ringgit. Okay? 700k PV. So, rough summary of sales master. Bila kita mencapai sales master, alright, sudah mencapai 2.5 left, 2.5 right, alright. So, untuk pertama kali yang sudah mencapai auto sales master, ia akan mendapat hadiah daripada Atomy sekali sahaja ya, bila kita mencapai auto sales master, which is product fame, okay, which is worth 403 ringgit. Himohim 390 ringgit dan juga satu set of evening care 128 ringgit. Alright. So hadiah ini sahaja kan sudah worth 913 ringgit. Selain itu, kita juga akan mendapat bonus sebanyak 1,600 plus minus. Paling tinggi saya pernah dapat mastership bonus is around almost 1,008. Okay, very nice. Can you imagine your general income jalan, mastership bonus kau jalan, and for the first time kau dapat hadiah lagi. Alright, so you have two challenge, which is first to the 15, second to the 16 to the end of month, and setiap bulan kau akan dapat 2 kali ini bonus. Bukan sekali, tapi 2 kali. Jangan lupa kita ada general commission lagi berjalan. Alright, so ini adalah rough calculation if you become an auto sales master. Okay, imagine 240 every day kali 6 sudah 1,440 satu minggu. Okay, sales master bonus 1,600 for 1,400. Okay, satu minggu tu kali 4 minggu sudah 5,760. Ini mastership bonus 3,200. Total dalam satu bulan kita boleh mencapai 800 ringgit. Tetapi kita semua sedia maklum bahawa general income ini sentiasa bertukar. Dia mengikut the fluctuation of the exchange rate dan juga sales master juga fluctuate. So sometimes kita boleh dapat lebih daripada itu. Okay? Ini paling kecil punya income ni 240. Can you imagine instead of 240 you are getting paid 480 6 kali seminggu. How much is that? It's more than a salary of somebody who works 20 years. Okay? So after you have achieved to become an auto sales master, katakan monthly commission kita lah. Katakan, ini paling rendah ni, actually you can get 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. Okay? Mula-mula bila kita start, mungkin kita akan, we call it semi-auto sales master, which dalam sebulan kita hanya mencapai sekali dalam 1 bulan. Okay? Mungkin kita dapat 4,000 lebih. Then after that, eventually dia akan naik pergi 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Because when you are really building the business organically and steadily and very solid kan, itu income tidak akan turun. Dia akan actually makin naik, makin naik, makin naik, makin naik. Bukan tidak akan turun. Okay? So the following month to come, do you think your monthly income will decrease or dia akan increase? Okay, itu adalah soalan untuk kita sendiri, untuk kita fikirkan bagaimanakah income yang kita mahu. Solidkah yang kejap naik, kejap turun? Okay. So this is the total income look like secara apa itu? Bukan the real amount but more or less the same. Okay. Around sales master 6,005. Saya kasih minimal. Okay. Supaya because I know this amount will grow even higher because as a auto sales master myself, I can earn around 15,000 monthly. Okay. So Diamond Master 13,000, Sharon Rose Master 32,500. Okay. And every mastership bonus dia berlainan. If you notice in this chart, look at the mastership bonus. Oh, sorry, I have to go back. Look at the mastership bonus. Sorry, yeah. Look at the mastership bonus. CEO Park knows that the first level adalah paling susah untuk capai. Tapi actually, if we think of instead of susah, tapi fun and challenges to grow, to learn, untuk capai ini, you will have no problem. You're gonna have so much fun achieving your sales master. Okay, when you just look at this chart, say CEO tahu jadi sales master adalah stage yang paling critical untuk kebanyakan orang. Sebab tu mastership bonus dia sini dia bagi paling tinggi 10%. Paling tinggi. If you look at other business, you will not get first level this high. It is very, very low. So as we gradually naik kita punya mastership, the point value makin lama makin turun. Makin turun tias mestinya kecil. Actually the pool is also very big. Tetapi the appreciation should go to the mastership which is the first level. Because this is where people work really, really, really hard to achieve sales master. Okay? So, mau tahu kah dia punya, kamu mau tahu dia punya roughly of mastership bonus? For sales master, you already know around 1,006, 1,007. Diamond master, you can get around 2,006 to 3,000 plus. Sharon Rose Master around 7,000 plus to 8,000 plus. Star Master I had around 16,000 plus. Okay? Ada soalan? Because I close everyone here. Ada soalan? Anyone before I continue? And okay. So So I continue, okay? So this is Atomy. Atomy started in Korea, okay, then gradually went to US, Japan, Canada, Taiwan, Singapore, Cambodia, Philippines, Malaysia, Mexico, Thailand, Australia, Indonesia, Russia, and on the 1st of April, buka di China. Then after that, it's going to open in India. The two largest country in the world is welcoming Atomy into their country. Can you imagine how your lineage is going to grow? Okay. All you need is somebody who thinks like you, feel like you, determined like you, and really want to build the business to help not only for ourselves, tetapi untuk membantu orang ramai juga untuk menjana pendapatan melalui perbelanjaan mereka. Pasti dia akan grow dengan sangat meriah and sangat very fruitful, because when we do Atomy, it must come from the heart. Kalau hati kita ikhlas untuk membantu, helping people in their journey, nothing is impossible because people can feel from our heart. Alright? So, okay. China, all the countries that opening soon. Nampak pula saya punya chat ni. Tunggu sekejap. So, currently open in 14 countries, and next month will be masuk China 15, then Hong Kong, then after that India, right? So how do you want to become a sales master? This is the most important steps of all. Okay, how to become an auto sales master. Okay, how can we become an auto sales master? How do you become an auto sales master? And the first question is, can you imagine what your life will be when you become an auto sales master? Do you think your life will be better, will change? Okay, that is the question for you to ask yourself. Tepuk dada, tanya sendiri. Ngam gak tuh? Right, okay. Then you will open more doors at you open a lot of doors of possibilities. All right. So as we all know, the most basic is we must under the marketing structure. Okay, binary system, unlimited level, global Atomy, one system, everybody using the same system, and global sales. All right. So the most important thing is the 8 step of success. How to achieve an auto sales master. This is not, sekejap saya mau, sekejap saya tidak mau. This is, it takes determination and focus. All right. And how do we do it? First of all, it's set your goals. That's why when we attend Success Academy, we'll be given a book which is called The Life Scenario. Okay, so why setting goal is very important? Because when you set a goal, you will know, kita akan faham apa yang kita mau capai, what we want to achieve in our life. Things that we always thought we want to achieve, but it's impossible, it is actually possible because we are putting a limit to ourselves. We should not do that. We should actually we should actually be determined and listen to our heart. That's why we are given dreams. All right. So the first step you need to do, whether you have the life scenario book ataupun tiada, sit down on a quiet place, okay, and reflect your life now and how you want your life to be in 5 years time and in 10 years time. Bagaimanakah hidup kita mau dalam masa 5 tahun, 10 tahun akan datang. Okay, so duduk, cari tempat yang sunyi dengan musik macam mana, tulis apakah goal yang kita mau capai, what are the dreams yang selama ni kau simpan dalam hati kau, yang sudah dibawa, sudah kena kubur, yang kau mau kasih ignite, yang kau mau capai selama ini. Sebab semua dreams orang adalah berlainan dan dreams itu hanya kita sahaja tahu di hati kita. Okay, so study shows that bila kita start writing our life scenario goals, you will actually activate our conscious mind. Okay, when we activate kita punya conscious mind, we are able to be more creative and think more deeper on the dreams that we want to achieve, yang kita mau capai. So lagi kita fikir, lagi kita rasa kita boleh capai. Kau tahu kah itu possibility of peluang makin terbuka. Kalau kita sentiasa cakap susah, dia akan jadi susah seumur hidup kau. Tapi kalau kita cakap senang, saya boleh, memang kau boleh dan kau memang akan tercapai impian tersebut. Okay? So, benda yang paling penting, the first thing is to set your goal. Biarlah kau tulis itu goal kau sampai kau menangis-nangis. Sebab itu adalah visi kita, impian kita. Alright? The second thing is be determined. Jangan yang hangat-hangat tai ayam. Be determined. Teguhkan keyakinan kita. Okay? You know what is your goal? What you want to achieve in your life. So you must be determined that you must do it with all your heart and all your might. Okay? Don't bother what naysayer may say to us. But if you believe what you are doing, keep on doing it, continue doing it. Mungkin mula-mula kita buat orang tidak nampak, tetapi makin kita buat orang nampak perubahan. Bila orang nampak perubahan, kita juga, you know, the candle, kita light our own candle, kita akan light candle untuk orang lain juga. Sebab dorang pun sendiri, hati dorang touch dengan kita punya determination untuk mencapai impian kita. So look into that mirror, that is your competition. Do not compare yourself with anyone else because this is your journey, bukan journey orang lain. Setiap orang mempunyai journey yang lain. Jangan rasa iri hati dengan orang lain sebab macam mana, bagaimana kita pasti akan tercapai impian kita bila kita fokus dan cuba perbaiki diri kita. Jangan jumpa obstacle terus kita putus asa. Setiap obstacle itu adalah cara untuk kita berkembang. We learn how to improve ourselves by cuba kita tembus itu masalah. Bila kita sudah dapat tembusi masalah itu, kita boleh share dengan orang lain. Macam mana kita melalui itu masalah. Supaya bila kita share dengan orang lain pun boleh tembus masalah itu. So then you go to the next level. Sebab semakin kita ke depan, there are more challenges, but don't look it as a masalah, but look it in a positive way. It is a challenge for us to grow. Bila kita belajar, kita membesar. Bukan membesar lah. Kita akan learn to be better. Okay? Sebab if we stop on the problem, we will never grow. Kita tidak akan start berkembang. Alright? So, the next is make a name list. That is very, very important. Ini adalah masalah saya dulu. Bila saya start kan, saya tidak tahu berapa name list saya tulis. Orang yang saya lama tidak jumpa pun, saya tulis saja nama dia. So, all the name list kan saya tulis siapa yang saya boleh approach at me. Siapa saya tulis saja. You must start with a name list. Jangan cakap, I don't have friends. Because by doing a name list, maybe kau ada 5. Dari 5, mungkin 2 akan listen. Bila 2 suka itu konsep, dia akan bawa lebih ramai orang. Jadi 2 orang, setiap orang bawa 3-3. Bila 3-3 bawa 2 orang lagi, that is how you multiply. So it is sangat penting untuk make a name list. Jangan kita jadi mak nujum. Decide for people. Which is, kau tulis nama tu orang, dia tidak mau ni, mungkin dia tidak mau ni. Sebab dia sudah ini. Tapi kita tidak tahu. Orang itu mungkin juga mencari peluang. Tetapi sebelum kita share sama tu orang, kita sudah decide yang orang tu tidak mahu. Alright? So, jangan jadi mak nujum. Always approach. Dia mau ke tidak, it's up to that person. We move on to the next person. At least we try daripada tidak try langsung. Alright? Building and making a name list is very important. Next is, sudah buat name list, making a phone call and invitation. Alright? You just Making phone calls, invitation, make it easy. Phone calls like you want to invite them for lunch, for dinner, or oh, I'm going for a facial. You want to join me? It's free. So you always can bring your friends to the center, or minum kopi di center, buat facial di center, you know, or pergi kedai kopi, minum-minum, buka cerita. Jangan terus-terus jumpa orang, kau pernah dengar Kak Atomy? Orang pun takut. Alright, so open your story, ikut apa itu? Secara peringkat. Jangan terus-terus cakap, kau tahu Kak apa itu Atomy? Have you heard of Atomy? Alright, so start from sharing products or whatever you want to share during bila kau jumpa tu kawan. Tapi yang paling senang is normally, mari kita pergi minum kopi di center sebab center bagi free kopi. Oh, mari kita pergi center ada free facial. Saya pun belum try, saya pun mau try. Mari kita pergi try. So normally people who always kind of activated itu senses, dia akan suka. And when a lot of people there kan, yang especially when you are at the center kan, you will actually make people feel homey, they feel welcome, and they will like shock, you know, the crowd that they are in. So always be in a positive crowd. It is very important, right? So the next one is show the plan. Okay, when you already start sharing with the products and so, then slowly you can actually show people the plan. Talk about Atomy. Jangan terus-terus business. Just say like using the products, right? You know, I've been using Atomy for a long time. People will ask why you like Atomy products. Now I will just say because from Atomy, through Atomy, saya dapat enjoy my perbelanjaan. Saya tidak belanja at the end of month jadi kosong. At least saya belanja, mungkin 1 year tidak dapat, secondnya saya boleh dapat income dari perbelanjaan saya saja. And it will make people think, you know, because bukan kita, saya belanja, kawan-kawan kita yang lain pun akan berbelanja. We make people think. Kita buat itu tanda tanya di pikiran dia orang. Oh ya betul loh juga kan. Because remember, in Atomy, kita tidak ada monthly commitment. We don't have sign up fee. We don't have maintenance. We only have 1 product a year sahaja we need to maintain. Sedangkan when we have membership with other supermarkets, we still have to pay membership fee, but we don't get product. Atomy, we buy product once a year, but we get products. That is the difference. All right. So just mention to be no sign up fee, no monthly auto ship, no annual fee, and no web fee. All right. So just for your information, untuk account untuk activation actually is not expensive. By just buying a toothbrush, a toothpaste, 20 ringgit, and a hair treatment, it only costs 78 ringgit. And you get 3 items. Alright? Toothpaste, 50G, kau dapat 4. Toothbrush, you know, kau dapat 8. Banyak barang tu kau dapat tu. If you compare that price buying in the supermarket, I don't think you can get as that amount, right? So, yang paling penting is follow up, buat susulan. Alright? So why I say this is very important? Because when we building a business, not everyone mula-mula akan mahu jadi business builder. They only want to become a consumer. So when they become a consumer for a very long time, then you see they keep on recruiting, you can always follow up them and show them their lineage and how they can actually benefit from their income. Okay, you show them the plan that this is your lineage and this is your point, you know, you go to general commission there and tunjuk point orang left and right berapa sudah. So by doing that, you can actually open the possibility of that person wants to do that business slowly but surely. Because 50% of that kaki sudah kena buat. All that person needs to do is another 50%. Which is up to them. But that's why it's very important to do follow up. How to get everything you want by doing what nobody else do, which is doing follow up. Because not a lot of people like to do follow up. But follow up is the key, because from doing follow up, like my experience, I did a lot of follow up. it ignites a lot of leaders, it ignites a lot of possibilities. All right, as I mentioned just now, do not decide for people without trying. Just because the person decline now, they don't want to do the business but just mau jadi consumer, all right? Just mestinya after maybe after 4 months, 6 months, or 1 year or 2 months, they might be open for the business possibilities. Okay. So the 7th step is consulting. This is a true leader will always must ask their members by asking what is your problem, why you cannot grow. You know that person kan sangat-sangat mau buat Atomy, tetapi dia jumpa jalan yang buntu. Okay, dia tidak tahu macam mana to grow forward sudah. So you ask questions. So kebanyakan the question that I always get is, I don't have many people, saya tidak ramai kenal orang, I've registered many, but no revenue. I am having trouble registering people. I have many registered people, but it is stagnant. No need to make the same mistake. If you didn't ask, assume you do not know. All right. So as I mentioned before, I do not have many people. Okay? I do not have many people. I might have 5 people. You just ask that person, berapa orang ada? 5. Have you asked that 5 people? And how many people, did you ask all 5 of your friends? And how do you do it? Because sometimes kan cara kita approach orang kan could be wrong. So as a friend, we can actually suggest and advise how to actually approach that friend of ours, how to approach people properly, or maybe they just need guidance and ways how to talk, how to approach people, because mungkin they never thought of that way. That's why sharing is very important. I registered but no revenue. I have registered but no revenue. No revenue means you have to explain to the person that Atomy is not a money game. Atomy is by just doing consumer success. You and me have no difference. We all have our necessity things we have to buy. We have our priorities. You wash clothes, I also wash clothes. You wash plates, I also wash plate. You brush it, I also brushed it. So it's very hard to say that there is no revenue, because Atomy bukan yang mau beli package untuk jadi member. No, Atomy is customer success. You buy what you need, and that is same goes to anyone that we should always advise. Okay, I am having trouble registering people. This is actually okay. This is not a problem actually, registering people. If we really want to build a business kan, as a leader, especially you want to become auto sales master, it is very important to learn how to register people. That is one step that is sangat-sangat penting. Kalau kita betul-betul mau buat ini bisnis, kita hook or by crook, kita akan belajar macam mana mau register orang. Sebab kalau kita depend on orang lain untuk register member, sampai bila-bila kita akan dapat masalah. Sebab orang yang tolong kita register tuh mungkin sibuk. So you have to wait. Itu orang free. Itu sampai bila. So we must take that initiative untuk belajar. You don't know how to do, go to the center. Ask your leader. I'm sure they'll be so happy to help you. Because you being able to register means a success for them, that they know that you want to build a business. And they'll be so happy to help you. Okay? I have registered people, but it's stagnant. Stagnant why? Do we do follow up? Have we ever do introduction on products? Those are the things that we must always ask our partners why they are stagnant. You register, have you asked? You minta IC, banyak orang minta IC sejak, tetapi they don't even know what is Atomy. Oh, saya sister minta IC sejak, tapi dia tidak tahu apa-apa pasal Atomy. I have so many of that cases, you know. At the end of the day, ngam-ngam tu orang, bila kena introduce properly kan, wah ini pula bagus ni Atomy. Tu orang yang register saya dulu, tidak bagi tahu saya, dia minta IC sejak. But if that person follow up, orang lain, ngam-ngam dia expired, dia follow up, dia suka pula. At the end of the day, you lose a member that has potential, you know. So it is very important to educate our members. Okay. no need to make the same mistake. No need to make the same mistake means you've done, we did things that maybe we did not like before on our previous business. So we don't follow the same mistakes. So it is very important to listen, to ask for guidance. So when we start building our business, build it the right way. Don't repeat the same mistake. Okay? And the number 6, jangan jadi Pak Nujum lah, as I always mention. Do not decide for people without even asking. Because that person might be actually looking for an opportunity and they want to learn something. Alright? So the last one is duplication. Duplication is very important dan antara paling penting. If we do all the first to the number 7 the correct way, our leaders will duplicate everything the right way as we taught. Okay? That's why what we do is reflection of us. Cara kita ajar, cara kita cakap, cara kita guide, cara kita buat semua activities kita adalah reflecting kepada leader tersebut. If you see your leaders duplicating the same thing, means you are doing well. If you are doing something that your leaders are not actually moving forward, there must be something wrong. So it is very important to duplicate the right thing and the right way. Don't go for shortcut because shortcut will not bring you a long way. Duplication through the right way will bring you a long and success road. Okay? So, as summary of the 8-step success system, which is set your goals, be determined. Be determined is, I know bukan senang. Untuk saya start juga tidak senang. So, untuk terus berdetermin, teguhkan keyakinan saya terhadap saya punya journey dengan Atomy, I read a lot of books. I listen to a lot of motivational video supaya dia akan terus push saya untuk terus berjalan. Dan juga saya dengar banyak video daripada Atomy. Dengar perjalanan semua orang. Semua orang ada perjalanan yang berbeza. So, untuk kita terus yakin dengan kejayaan perjalanan kita, kita mesti yakin dengan diri sendiri. Sebab bila kita yakin dengan diri sendiri, apa-apa kita buat pun, semua positif. Semua, you know, you are open doors of possibilities. Because kau yakin, kau tidak cakap susah dulu. Kau sudah yakin, kau boleh. Sebab hati kau sudah sedia untuk, sebab it means kau juga kena sedia kau punya hati. Hati kau mesti keras, mesti sabar, semua tu mesti ada untuk berjaya. Alright? So, make a name list, okay, make phone calls, invitation, show the plan, follow up, consulting, okay? Consultation is very important. Like what we always do consultation, right? So, from there we will see if what is the problem and how we can actually unblock the problem there, okay? And from unblocking the problem, we can become better in our road to success, okay? And most importantly is duplication, duplicasi, how to do duplication. So if you truly want to change your life, you must first change your mind. Changing your mind means you must know this is what you want to do, you understand what your heart tells you, and you are ready to face all the challenges and all the fun and possibilities that will open to you for your success in your journey in Atomy. Okay, so that is the end